Good morning. The industrial and economic model that drives China's factory sector is based on some simple truths. The first is that any process that can be automated will be automated. The next is that any product that can be built in a factory will be mass-produced in factories. China's industrial strategy is that those processes will be automated here and that those products will be mass-produced here. They bring to bear near monopolies on raw materials at the top of all the supply chains, world-class logistics to bring those here, and then outbound again to customers across the world. Manufactured housing, houses built in factories, is another industry that Chinese are taking over. In the United States, this industry is dominated by Wall Street and private equity firms, including Berkshire Hathaway, who makes hundreds of millions of dollars per year in profits on high interest loans on their homes. Across most of the entire world, home affordability is hitting historic lows. Construction companies see chronic shortages of raw materials and labor shortages, and those result in very high per square meter construction costs. Chinese companies are rushing in, building homes to local specifications, shipping them to construction crews across the world at about 1/4 the cost of stick-built projects. This is a villa home, a template from a factory we know here in Guangdong province. They're building a showroom on their property, and they're also building 20 other units in production right now. This design is 10 meters by 10, 2 stories, so 200 square meters in total. That's 2,143 square feet, and are built for most markets for under 40,000 US dollars. $195 per square meter, under $20 a square foot. They are shipping to the US market with top-of-the-line materials and fixtures to meet the high regulations for hurricane zones and places with heavy snow loads for $80,000. That is under $40 per square foot. And this facility builds and ships 30 of those every month.
In 1 month, you'll finish it.
If you have more, it'll be faster.
Yeah. 是需要有的东西。明白。以前的20多年以前最早。
This is the most important work in the beginning. When we receive the customer order, and then the buyer, they tell us their requirements, the local conditions and regulations, then our designer will design in this room.
Okay, so this one is going to Argentina.
Yes.
That one there is going to the United States.
Yeah, you are United States.
How long does it take?
It will usually take 20 to 30 days because they are customization. We need to design and produce.
So you take 20 to 30 days?
Yes.
Plus shipping. So 90 days from now, a family in Argentina is moving into here. Mm-hmm. A family in America is moving into that one.
Yes, because our buyers, they usually are construction company and property developers. Yeah. And they can they buy a lot of houses, they build a lot of houses, they can sell quickly. trying to assemble the brake section. Yeah, this is shift to your bed. The big stuff.
就等于我们很多问题都帮客户提前想到了。
For construction companies and property developers, the cost is the problem. But that is also the opportunity. Construction companies build things. Property developers build lots of houses for sale. Now they're outsourcing much of that work to factories here in China who are automating most of that building process. They're also outsourcing their construction materials problem. Most of the world's steel comes to here. Supply chains for glass and for copper for aluminum, for everything electronic. Those also run through here. Buyers of these factory houses are even shipping container loads of furniture so they can sell the houses ready to move into, fully furnished. There are over 8,000 furniture makers within a 2-hour drive of where I'm standing right now, and they can't be beaten on price either. Home building companies across the world will soon face the same calculus that countless other industries have. Either you are in partnership with Chinese factories and Chinese supply chains who are driving their costs down in local markets, or you're in competition with other companies who do have those partnerships. This is Guangzhou. Be good.
In Jesus' name, the others must flee. Thank you for your word. Thank you for your son. Thank you for my life. And for using me in a mighty, powerful way. And for using our brothers and sisters